Yeah.
I have like
Um,
Oh, see,
simple random sample and then each group is normal, like normally distributed.
so then the sample means aren't all positive?
No.
that's just the F distribution, the test score. That will
Yeah.
never be negative.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got that in my notes.
Would the next one just be C? The last one.
Yes, I believe
If it's
so.
normally
I think
distributed,
so.
yeah.
And then the second one.
Yes.
I thought it was 2 times the smallest sample mean.
I thought it was 4 times.
Yeah, I thought it was 4 times.
Is
I think
it
it
four
has to
times?
be
Maybe I have it wrong.
less than or equal to 4 times.
Okay.
Um, or wait, is that backwards? Because I thought that the smallest, the largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest. Oh no, that's right. Okay.
Yeah, you're right. The next one's the largest sample mean anyway, so that's not right.
Yeah. Oh no, I have simple two test. Um,
It'd be 4 pairs, right? Because it'd be like,
would it be
I'm not sure.
6? Because you'd have 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1
Yeah,
and 4, 2 and 3, 2 and 4,
Yeah,
and then
okay.
3 and 4.
that's what I thought too.
So it's 6.
I think
Yes.
so, yeah.
Oh, geez. We did this one in the homework last night, didn't we? Or with the soccer shoes.
Oh, I haven't done the homework yet. I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, not the homework, but the, I think I might have it still loaded in here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is what I still have in here. Let me see. So, minimum smallest variance for the 6 groups. $27.208 is what I have.
Still copying stuff.
Oh, you're fine. It takes a lot longer because it's listed and you have to copy and paste.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D.
And my computer is being so slow. Stop. Just do what I want you to do.
It's still waking up. It's too early.
I know.
So I think I've got for the lowest 27.208. So it
Yeah, that's
would be group 3, which is which would be C.
for what? Okay, where are you at? Oh, we just have to put the numbers in,
Yeah.
right? Okay. And the maximum, I have the maximum is 53.158.
53.158.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then because the smallest isn't 4 times, or the largest is less than 4 times the smallest, then that satisfies the test for equal variances, right?
Mm. Let's see.
So the smallest.
So can somebody help me out and remember and help remind me how we do the box plots in here?
The QQ plot or the box plot?
No, the box plots, because it's made me think about it.
I think that's
'Cause I
in
think
the quantitative descriptive
No, it's
file.
just the QQ plots are in there, I
Yeah.
think.
Because there was like lots of questions and
Yeah, and the those videos he used one of the videos he used the box plots instead of the QQ plots, I think.
well, and it talked about the box plots in a lot of our stuff. It's really confusing, the videos, for me, because
He doesn't use
they use a
Excel.
lot of he's just like, oh, it'll be similar in Excel, and I'm like, but that's what we use is Excel.
Yeah.
So it makes it hard to understand.
Hmm.
To do a box plot.
Sure.
Sorry.
Oh, go on.
The data, though, for the box plots, you can get from the quantitative descriptive spreadsheet. Like if you...
So just basically just draw them then?
well, you could draw them probably, but I can't remember exactly how you do it. I know there's a way to do it on Excel. I just can't remember right now. But I do know if you paste the data into the first histogram and descriptive stats, the descriptive statistics area will give you what you need data-wise.
Yeah.
But I can't remember how you do it exactly.
Yeah, like one of the questions said somewhere from last week said to make graphs, but we weren't supposed to use the specific, like it was just an I don't remember what it was, like an example or something along those lines, and it was confusing.
Mm.
I know, I'm probably not making any sense.
Oh, no, you're fine.
Okay. So each of the samples are approximately normal base on the QQ plot. Went through.
Did we say 10 was true or false?
True, right?
True.
Okay.
True.
As long as we got
Yeah, and I think 11 would be true too.
Yeah, 11 looks true.
okay.
And then if we remove the socks, the p-value goes to 0.309.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
0.309.
Yeah, 0.309.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
And then 13 would be right.
Yeah, I think they're always right skewed.
They are.
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
Oh, fun.
Copy and paste again.
Just looking at that too.
But okay, so calories first. Hmm. So from what I have gotten on it so far, on the QQ plots, the meat one, it doesn't look like it's totally distributed normally. Or is that just me?
I'm copying that one right now, so let me.
The meat one's the second one, right?
Yeah.
It's hard because it's close.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, I don't know. They say that like as long as there's not a distinct curve, then it's normal. But
Definitely has like a slight curve at the bottom.
yeah, it does. I don't know if that Is that distinct enough though?
Mm.
Well, we could try
Poultry's
it and
about
see.
this. Poultry's about the same.
Yeah. So, yeah, well, on both the second and the third one, between like 0.6 and 0.8, I think there's like that big outlier right there. So,
I do not.
so when we're doing the QQ plot, we're just seeing if it's normally distributed, right? Or can we also see if the variances are equal?
I think you also want to see if the variances are.
Yeah.
And the
But-
QQ plot tells us that?
Not on, well, because if they're normally distributed by the QQ plot, then we could assume that the variance is going to be equal. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. Because the variance is if you do the times 4, the largest is less than the smallest times 4.
Yeah, it is. I've got them in Excel, so
Yeah.
it's the first one then. The assumptions have been met. It's safe to assume each group comes from a normally distributed population
Yeah,
from the QQ plots.
I think that's what it would be.
Yeah, I think so. I think they're close enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we get it wrong, we know why.
Okay, this is where it throws me. So we have sufficient evidence to say.
I think it's the third one. Or the fourth one.
I thought it would be the last one, but I'm not positive.
I think it's the last one. Because
because that's how a different mean number, because it's either they're all the same or there's one that's different, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you're rejecting the null hypothesis, then there's at least one that's different, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And we'd have to reject the null hypothesis. So I think
Why
4.
do these have to be so long?
Almost
now I
there.
have to construct QQ plots on it all for the sodium.
Oh, we're not almost there.
No. I just looked at the next question. That's why I said that. I'm like, it's too early in the morning to do this much work.
I know.
Oh, no.
Literally get up out of bed and take my dog to the bathroom and sit here and
I was having a lazy morning. My wife came back from dropping the kids off, and she's like, "So when's your meeting and group meeting?" And I was like, "Oh, that's right."
I know, I was hoping it was still this morning.
Yeah.
My computer is not liking me when it comes to pasting.
I feel ya.
I know.
Biggest.
Okay, so the last one for the sodium levels is like way off.
Just getting
To me, it's like, I don't know. It's not way, way off, but it's off.
I'm putting in the last one right now. So let me see.
I have to go back through and recopy and paste them over to the, I should have done it in the beginning. Into the Excel spreadsheet. Just like just paste twice.
Oh,
So I don't have to copy.
Yeah, I've been copying them to the descriptive one, and then after doing that, copying it over to the other one.
Yeah, probably would have been better to do it that way. Now I'm having to copy and paste twice.
Me too. Third one looks a little off to me, but I wouldn't say that it's any more off than the last one that we did.
Yeah.
To me, I guess it just looks totally and completely different because the other two were so close.
Yeah.
But yeah, and it's pretty much the same because like the variance isn't different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the assumptions have been met because I mean it even says that the QQ plot for poultry suggests a possible problem with normality assumption, but then it gives us the smallest and the largest variance in number 16. So have the assumptions been met to use ANOVA?
I think so.
It's just question 17 throws you off.
Oh yeah, it does.
I would think they haven't been. Oh.
It hasn't really been that bad, though. It didn't look that bad.
Well, then does
But
that mean
Despite the possible, it just is a possible problem. So
Yeah.
it kind of does throw us off. For the QQ plot, you decide to use ANOVA to determine the mean sodium levels. And then it asks for the p-value. So that's the lowest p-value though. 0.179.
Yeah.
Yeah.
.179 for 17?
Yes.
Yeah.
Did we say what 16 was?
I don't think we came to.
I think we were thinking the first one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, because that's the only one that has been met.
So the normally distributed thing comes from the QQ plot, but then the variances are, I'm confused.
Yeah,
I think
how
I
did you-
found the wrong one, but I'm still kind of confused.
How did you guys get the first? Like, why do you think it's the first one?
Because the QQ plots seem like the only QQ plot that has an issue is the poultry.
So,
But I guess you should see that the QQ plot for poultry suggests a possible problem with the normality assumption.
if there is like a possible problem though, like it suggests, does that mean that the population's not normal, or does that mean that the variances aren't equal, or?
Well, can we assume that the variances are equal even if the groups aren't all normally distributed?
So would that be the third one?
Yeah, that's what I would think, but I don't know.
On 16, the assumptions have not been met. It is safe to assume each group comes from normally distributed population, but we can assume that the variances are equal.
But that would mean that that first one we were wrong on the
Yeah.
first problem.
It's
It would
true.
mean that it's not.
I think we might be.
So which one are we?
I mean, we could always have one person submit and
Yeah, we could just try the first one and see.
We'll try the first one.
See? Okay.
Okay, so we just have to do 18.
Yay.
And I have, we do not have sufficient evidence to reject the claim that all three hot dog types have the same mean sodium levels, specifically because the p-value is greater than the level of significance.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Sorry, which one was that?
The second one?
The
the
second one?
second
Okay.
one.
Yeah, it's the only one that says we did not have sufficient evidence.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Who wants to submit?
I'll do it. I always get nervous hitting submit.
I know.
We'll see where we're at though. Okay. Hey, we got 100, but wait. I put for 16, I put the third one down. I don't know if you guys
Okay.
put the first one or the third one, but I had the third one down.
For 16,
For 16?
Yeah.
Okay.
the assumptions have not been met. Okay.
Yeah. But other than that, yeah, everything else is right.
Okay.
Sweet.
Yay.
Sweet.
Good job.
All right, then I guess we will see you guys Thursday at 1, unless you want to meet early again. It doesn't matter to me.
I can't do early. 'cause
Oh, you
I'm
can't do
working.
early. Yeah.
All right, well,
Today you can do early.
Everyone sounds good.
One sounds
Okay.
good.
see you guys.